श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्। ॐ निधाय हृदि विश्वेशं विधाय गुरुवन्दनं बालानां सुखबोधाय क्रियते तर्कसङ्ग्रहः. So we saw व्याप्ति विशिष्ट पक्षधर्मता ज्ञानं परामर्शः. यथा वह्निव्याप्य धूमवानायं पर्वत इति ज्ञानं परामर्शः, तज्जन्यं पर्वतवह्निमान् इति ज्ञानम् अनुमितिः. अनुमिति लक्षण घटकीभूत परामर्श लक्षणम् आचष्टे. In the anumiti lakshana, see for anumiti karanam anumanam. For anumiti we saw paramarsha. For starting from anumiti, what is anumiti? Vyapti vishta paksha dharmata jnanam. Paramarsha. There, paramarsha is there inside anumiti. So that anumiti which is a part of that paramarsha which is a part of anumiti lakshana is explained now. व्याप्ति विशिष्ट इति. व्याप्ति विशिष्टं च तत् पक्षधर्मता ज्ञानं च इति कर्मधारय. Here he is accepting a कर्मधारय समास. कर्मधारय समास. व्याप्ति व्याप्तिं च व्याप्ति विशिष्टं च व्याप्ति विशिष्टं च व्याप्ति विशिष्ट पक्षधर्मता ज्ञानम. पक्ष धर्मता ज्ञानम च. व्याप्ति विशिष्टम च पक्षधर्मता ज्ञानम च. व्याप्ति विशिष्ट पक्षधर्मता विशेष व्याप्ति विशिष्टम च पक्षधर्मता ज्ञानम च इन कर्मधारय समास. लाइक नीलम च घटम च नीलम च उत्पलम च. In these places we use कर्मधारय समास also. नील घट नील उत्पल. Blue pot, blue lotus. Both blueness and lotusness both exist in the same adhikarana. व्याप्ति विशिष्टं च पक्षधर्मता ज्ञानं च same adhikarana. That is what it is. Vishishta pada. What does vishishta mean? For that he says vishishta padasya prakarata nirupakatvat. Vishishta pada is used for prakaraka nirupaka sambandha. It is used for prakaraka. See, dharmata jnanam is see vyapti vishishta pakshadharmata. व्याप्ति विशिष्ट पक्षधर्मता. This is visheshya, this is visheshana. So this vishishta means vyapti visheshita pakshadharmata. व्याप्ति प्रकारक पक्षधर्मता. व्याप्ति प्रकारता निरूपित पक्षधर्मता. व्याप्ति विशिष्टा means व्याप्ति प्रकार. व्याप्ति प्रकार निरूपित. Why? Because only through this is established. So that is why he says vishishta padasya prakarata nirupakatvat. Pakshadharmatayaha jnanamityatra षष्ठी विषयत्व बोधनात्. Pakshadharmata jnana means pakshadharmatayaha jnanam. The knowledge of pakshadharmata. The knowledge of pakshadharmata. Of is fifth case. So pakshadharmataya jnanamiti षष्ठी. And that षष्ठी samasa is षष्ठी sambandhe षष्ठी. That is why he says vishayatva bodhana. It establishes vishaya. This is the vishaya. This is vishaya. This is visheshana. Therefore this is visheshya. That is why he says dharmata padasya sambandharthakatva. And dharmata here is sambandharthakatva. Sambandha. Karmadhare samase samasyamana padarthayoho abheda samsarga labhena cha. See, paksha dharmatayaha jnanam. Paksha dharmatayaha means dharma means sambandha. Paksha sambandhasya yad jnanam. paksha sambandhasya yad jnanam. In that way you have to understand. In sixth case, that is why he says this is the definition. Vyapti vishishta paksha dharmata. That in the next stage becomes a vyapti prakara abhinnam. Vyapti prakaram yasya tad vyapti prakaram. Bahuvrihi tamasa. Therefore, ka pratyaya vyapti prakaraka. Vyapti prakaraka abhinna. Abhinna because he has already said samsarga labhena. Abheda samsarga labhena. For abheda samsarga, we are using Sakti Samasa. Abheda Sambandha means that this and that are not different. To prove that Neelam and Utpalam, Neelam and Ghatam are not different. The same way, Paksha Dharmata and Jnanam are not different. This Vyapti Vishishta and Paksha Dharmata are not different. So he says, Vyapti Prakaraka Abhinnam. Vyapti Prakaraka Abhinnam. Yat Paksha Sambandha Vishayakam. Yat Paksha Dharmata Jnana means Dharma means Sambandha. Yat Paksha Sambandha here Dharmata means Vishaya Sambandha Vishaya. So I replace Vishishta with Prakarata. Prakarata Nirupaka. I change Vishishta with Vyapti. Vishishta means Vyapti Prakarata Nirupaka. Okay. Then Paksha Dharmata Jnanam. I will change Paksha Dharmata as a Sambandha Vishaya. That is why he says Vyapti Prakaraka Abhinna Sambandha Vishayaka Jnanam. Vyapti Prakaraka Abhinnam Sambandha Vishayakam Jnanam is Paramarsha. Vyapti Prakaraka Abhinnam Yat Sambandha Vishayakam Jnanam is Paramarsha. Therefore, okay, Vyapti Prakaraka Abhinnam, Vyapti Prakaraka Abhinna Sambandha Vishayakam Jnanam. That I rephrase as Vyapti Prakaraka Abhinnam Yat Sambandha Vishayakam Jnanam. That knowledge about the Sambandha which is related to, which is not different from Vyapti Prakara, which is not different from Vyapti Visheshana. That is what he says. But here also, this definition there will be Ativyapti dosha. In Parvado Vanni Vyapya, Dhuma Vanni Vyapya, Alokavan Parvataha. There are two things. One is Dhuma Vanni Vyapya, there is Alokavan Parvata. The Dhuma is Vyapya for Vanni, and the fire, the mountain has fire. In these two places, there will be, this is called Samuhalamana Jnana. There can be mix up or something else. So you want to define Dhuma Vanni Vyapyaha, but it also goes to the other place. That is why he says Ityakaraka Samulambane api Upam Ukta Paramarsha Lakshanam Astiti Vyapti Prakaraka Abhinnam Yat Paksha Sambandha Vishayaka Jnanam. It exists. Both exist in the same place. Therefore, there is Ativyapti dosha. You want to define Paramarsha, but it also goes to Samuhalambana Jnana. Therefore, to negate that, what we say is Paksha Nishta Visheshita Nirupita Ya Hetu Nishta Prakarta Tan Nirupita Ya Vyapti Nishta Prakarta Tat Shali Jnanam Paramarsha Iti Nishkarsha. This is the boiled down definition. What does he say? Pakshanishta Visheshita Nirupita Ya Hetunishta Prakarta Tanirupita Ya Vyaptinishta Prakarta Tat Shalitvam Parvato Vanniman. Parvato Vanniman. Here fire, Parvata is Paksha. Parvata is Paksha. Okay? Parvato Vanniman. Pakshanishta Visheshita Nirupita. Hetunishta Prakarata. Dhuma is Hetu. Dhuma is Hetu. And तन्निरूपितया व्याप्तिनिष्ठ प्रकारताशालित्वम् व्याप्ति here is a vannivyapya dhumavan. In this statement parvato vanniman is the anumiti for vannivyapya dhumavan ayam parvatah. Okay, what he says is pakshanishta visheshata. This is visheshya. This is Visheshana. Visheshya, what is Visheshya? That which these attributes are attributing to. That attributed is Visheshana. Parvata is Visheshya. So Parvata is Paksha. Pakshanishta Visheshyata. Okay? Pakshanishta Visheshyata. If this is Visheshyata, then these are Prakara. So he says, Pakshanishta Visheshataya, Hetunishta, Hetu means Dhumavan, Hetunishta Prakarata, Dhumavan, Hetunishta Prakarata, Tannirubita Vyaptinishta, Vanni Vyapya is a Vyapti. So, Vyaptinishta Prakarata, Dhumavan, through that this also is proven. He is coming in reverse order. Pakshanishta Visheshata Nirupita Dhumanishta Hetunishta Prakarata Nirupita Vyaptinishta Prakarata Shalitvam. Pakshanishta Visheshata Nirupita Hetunishta Prakarata Nirupita Vyaptinishta Prakarata Shalitvam. This is what it is. Parvatishta Visheshata Nirupita Dhumanishta Prakarata Nirupita Ya Vannivyapyanishta Vishesh Prakarata Tat Shalitvam is Paramarsha. That is why if you define it like this, Tat Shali Jnanam Paramarshaiti Nishkarsha. If you define like this, there will be no Ativyapti anywhere. Okay? Parvatanishta Visheshita Nirupita Dhumanishta Prakarata Nirupita Vannivyapya Prakarata Shali Jnanatvam is a Paramarsha. That is why he says Iti Nishkarsha. Yetadrisha Paramarsha Janyatve Sati. So, with this kind of Pakshanishta Visheshita Nirupita Dhumanishta Prakarata Nirupita Vyaptinishta Vishesh Prakarata Shali Jnanatvam, through this Paramarsha Paramarsha Janyatve Sati, Yetadrisha Paramarsha Janyatve Sati, Jnanatvam Anumitehe Lakshanam. Yetadrisha Paramarsha Janyatve Sati Jnanatvam. Paramarsha Janya Jnanatvam Anumiti. Paramarsha Janyatve Sati Jnanatvam Anumiti. Yetadrisha Paramarsha Janya Jnanatve Sati Anumiti. This is what he is saying up till now. Okay, now next stage he says Anumiti Paramarshayoho Vishishya Karya Karana Bhavascha Iktam. See. Anumiti is Karya, Paramarsha is Karana. Okay? Karya, Karana, Anumiti, Paramarsha. Paramarsha is Vyapti, Vishishta, Paksha, Dharmata, Jnanam. Anumiti is one Parvato. Anumiti, just we'll say Anumiti. Next stage, we'll say Vyapti, Vishishta, Vapti, Vishishta, Paksha, Dharmata, Jnanam. We'll say Dhuma Vyapya, Vannivyapya Dhumavan Ayam Parvatah.
वह्निव्याप्य धूमवान् अयं पर्वतः.
And Karya Anumiti is a Parvato Vanniman. Parvato Vanniman is Karya, which is Anumiti. Karna is a Vyaptivishta Pakshadharmata Jnana, which is a Vanni Vyapya Dhumavan Ayam Parvatah. Okay? There is Karna, there is Karya. There is a Karya Karna Bhava Sambandha. Karya Karna Bhava Sambandha, he is explaining it this way. पर्वतत्वावच्छिन्न देशता निरूपित संयोग संबंधावच्छिन्न वन्नित्वावच्छिन्न विधेयताक अनुमितित्वावच्छिन्नं प्रति वन्नित्वावच्छिन्न प्रकारता निरूपित व्याप्तित्वावच्छिन्न प्रकारता निरूपिता या धूमत्वावच्छिन्न प्रकारता तन्निरूपिता या पर्वतत्वावच्छिन्न विशेषता तच्छाली निर्णय कारण. This is all confusing. This is very simple. See, you have mountain. Mountain is Paksha. This is Uddeshya. Mountain is a Uddeshya. Okay? And here you have fire. Fire is Videya. Videya is a Hetu or water? Huh? Hetu? Hetu is a smoke. Hetu is smoke. This is a Videya is a Vanni. Vanni is a Videya. In Uddeshya, in Parvata, Paksha, we are applying. Videya means we want to see. This is what we want to gain. Whatever is the expected knowledge is Videya. We want to gain the knowledge of fire. Where? In the Paksha, which is Uddesha. The Uddesha is Paksha. Wherever you want to see, that place is Uddesha. In that Uddesha, you want to see Videya. Okay? Uddesha, Videya. Okay? Now, any Vishaya will have three levels. One is a Visheshanata, Sambandha, third is Visheshyata. Visheshanata, which is a Prakarata. Prakaratakya Vishayata, Sambandhakya Vishayata, Visheshyakya Vishayata. Prakaratakya Vishayata, Sambandhakya Vishayata. This is Prakara. We will write Prakara. Prakaratakya Vishayata, Sambandhakya Vishayata, Visheshyakya Vishayata. Here our Vishaya is this. What is this? Parvato Vanniman. I want to explain Parvato Vanniman. This is Karya. Okay? For this is Karana. Vanni Vyapya Dhumavan Ayam Parvata is Karana. I want to see Parvato Vanniman, which is the Karya. Let us see. We have mountain, Uddeshya, then fire, Videya. In Videya exists what is in Videya? Videya Nishtha, Videya Nishtha, Videyata. Uddeshya Nishtha, Uddeshyata. Uddeshya Nishtha, Uddeshyata. Uddeshya is a Parvata. For Parva, Avachedaka. Parvata, Avachedaka is a Parvatatva. Videta is a Vanni. For Vanni, Avachedaka is a वन्नित्वा पर्वतत्व अवच्छिन्न पर्वता. If I say for parvata avachyadika is parvata, I say parvatatva avachinna parvata. Is it wrong? Is it right? It is right. Very good. Parvatatva avachinna parvata, vannitva avachinna vannihi. Parvatatva avachinna parvata, vannitva avachinna vanni. Okay? In between parvata and vanni, there is a sambandha. This sambandha, what kind of sambandha? Sanyoga sambandha. Separable relationship. Sanyoga. Okay? Parvatatva avachinna parvata, Sanyoga sambandha avachinna, vannitva avachinna vanni. This is what he says. Parvatatva avachinna uddeshita nirupita, Sanyoga sambandha avachinna, vannitva avachinna videtaka. This is what he is explaining. That is nothing but this. Parvatatva avachinna parvatatva nirupita, Sanyoga sambandha avachinna, vannitva avachinna vannihi. Okay. Now, parvata is uddeshyata. Okay. Vannitva is vanni is vidheta. I replace this. Parvatatva avachinna uddeshyata nirupita, Sanyoga sambandha avachinna, vannitva avachinna vidheta. Okay. Instead of uddeshyata, I say parvata. Parvatatva avachinna parvata. I replace parvata with uddeshita. Parvatatva avachinna uddeshita nirupita, Sanyoga sambandha avachinna, vannitva avachinna, not vanni, I will replace vanni with videta. Parvatatva avachinna parvata, parvata I replace with uddeshita. Parvatatva avachinna uddeshita nirupita, Sanyoga sambandha avachinna, vannitva avachinna videta. Okay, tell me. What is this? Instead of parvata, I will say parvatatva avachinna nirupita avachinna videta. See, parvatatva avachinna uddeshita nirupita, Sanyoga sambandha avachinna, vannitva avachinna videta. That is exactly what is anumiti is. Animititvam prati, animititva avachinnam prati. This is animititva. That animititva avachinnam prati. This is anumiti. For that anumiti, animititva is avachinna. For anumiti, what is the avachadaka? Anumititva. Anumititva avachinna anumitim prati. There is karana. We will see the karana. Om Purnamada Purnam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevashyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.